The Hootsuite app directory is a large ecosystem of free and premium apps and integrations. By installing these tools, you can customize the functionality of your Hootsuite dashboard for very specific business needs. You can access the app directory from within your dashboard. Then, scroll or search for the app you'd like to install. For example, install Google Drive for Hootsuite to store and access brand-approved assets within Hootsuite, making sharing faster. Or, install Panoramic Insights to add valuable Instagram analytics like account activity, follower demographics, and the effectiveness of your posts and stories to your dashboard. Hootsuite Syndicator allows you to view and share RSS feeds from your dashboard to your social channels, making resharing content seamless. If the app is available as a stream, you'll need to add the app stream. Some apps also have a plugin, so it can be integrated across your entire dashboard and not localized to a single stream. If you want your app contained to a specific stream, you can remove the plugin. If you're not immediately clear on which apps best suit your needs and need an enhanced search of Hootsuite's app integration ecosystem, we recommend visiting apps.hootsuite.com. Here, you'll find several curated collections of suggested apps, handpicked by our social media experts. Take your search deeper by navigating to categories, where you can find apps by specific function or industry. Or, for a full list of the entire Hootsuite app ecosystem, go to Apps to see the full list. Click for more information about functionality, cost, and user guides. Then click Install to add the app to your dashboard.